They say imitation is the sincerest form of flattery. We say it's the easiest way to profit. NordFX Copy Trading is the best way to increase your capital and start earning big. Would you like to maximize your profits the way big traders do? Simply choose, copy, and profit. It's that easy. The experienced trader you select receives a reward for having subscribers, and you make more money, faster and effortlessly. They trade, you copy, everybody profits. All deals get automatically copied to your account, so you don't even have to handle each transaction. NordFX Copy Trading is perfect for newcomers, those with busy schedules, or simply anyone who wants to benefit from professional traders and even diversify their portfolio. Stop wasting time and effort monitoring markets endlessly without seeing a profit, and start following in the experts' footsteps. Copy trading means no special knowledge, no entry level, no payment required. Just profits, all day, every day. Join now.